Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I earned that $700 from Clickbank. Without further ado, I'll mention it straight away. I'm using Google Ads to promote the Clickbank product, and I'm also using a landing page created using the thepagepro.com. So the thepagepro.com is a landing page creator which I put a link in the description below with if you want to know more about it. So it's a unique landing page creator because you just need to fill up simple form and hit save, and it will generate a landing page for you just like this. So this is exactly the product I promoted, and this is exactly the landing page that I used. So I promoted a product called CarboFix. So it's very popular in Clickbank. And before we go further, I just wanted to tell that this campaign happened last year. So I'm filming this video to 2022, but this campaign I did it last year, 2021. It's just that I didn't get much time to film this, but it's in my plan to put this one up so that it can help someone who's viewing this video who can follow the same approach that I did, so that you may earn as well. So let's take a quick look on this landing page that I created using the thepagepro.com. So the link is in the description below. So it's a simple landing page. So all the information I got it from the sales page. So let's take a look at the sales page of CarboFix. So this is CarboFix. So I'm redirecting all the visitors to this sales page. So in my landing page, I got all this information from that sales page itself. So and I grabbed some of the images so that I can put it here. Anyway, let's continue. So first I want to show you exactly how I set up the ads in Google Ads. So this is the ad group itself. As you can see, I ran the ad for like 8 days, and I've added a budget of like $30 per day, as far as I can remember, because I did this last year. So as you can see, I got 83 clicks and I've got 2551 impression, and the average cost per click is 2.14. It's Singapore dollar. So because my Google account was created Singapore account, so if we go to Google, so 2.14 Singapore dollar, that's 1.58 US dollar per click. So it's not that bad. It's okay. And so we sent 83 clicks, and we have a total spent of 177.42 Singapore dollars. So that's around, so let's say 178. So that's around 131 US dollar. That's the total spent. And in this in this campaign, I am using brand bidding. I am using the exact keyword CarboFix. So I use exact match so that my ad will only appear to those people who are typing CarboFix. So it's really effective. It's just that you must be willing to spend that much amount in order to see results. For me, I spend like I showed you earlier, around almost 100 plus US dollar. So I think minimum of 100 US dollar is should be your budget to do a brand bidding. So I also added a broad match of plus CarboFix. So for those people who are typing like buy CarboFix or CarboFix ingredients, something like that. So I have set it for 4.83. So I just followed what Google suggested me, the suggested bid. So I put it like that, 4.83, and $2 for this one. in the beginning, when I set up this campaign, I added lots of keywords because as you see, in this keyword, you only see 22 clicks and 6 clicks. So total of 28 clicks out of the 83 clicks in my ad group because I deleted other keywords. They at those other keywords, they just exhausted most of my budget in the campaign but didn't make sale. So I just kept these two keywords for like 2 3 days, like 2 3 days, and I made sales using just these two keywords. So it may be different in your case. So it's just that maybe it depends on the how you set up the landing page and uh, the time of when your ad is running, and if you're lucky enough, people who are searching carbo fix in that moment are willing to buy. So it all depends. So we cannot tell like if you set up the exact ad campaign like this, you'll get the same result. So it's all depend, like no one can tell what will be the outcome of your result unless you test it correctly. All right, now going back to ad groups, as I mentioned here, spend of total 177.42. Now let's have a look at the result. So here, as you see, the range from May 1 to May 31, but originally I just ran the ad from May 1 to May 8, and I stopped the ad like May 10. So as you see, we've got 13 sales total using this landing page and the ad campaign that we set up, the keywords, which is the brand bidding keyword, landing the sales page. So we are directing the customer here, all the visitors directly here in this sales page. So we promoted Carbo Fix and we've got this sales. So it resulted to 705.80. So if we calculate that, earlier I showed you the total spent was 132. So total gross sales was 705 and then 132. So we got around 573. But that's not it. I'll show you so that in this video we are all transparent. So there were refunds and chargebacks. So not all these people who bought the CarboFix product like the product. Some of them refunded. So let's go ahead. All right, as you see here, we've got so let's take a look at the refunds. So in this one, we've got one refund, so which is okay, and the total, the net income, the net sale that we've got is 679.05. Still, we've got some profit from based on the amount that we spent, around $132. After all the refund and chargeback, we earned 679.05. So 679.05 minus 132. So we pocketed 547, which is pretty good. Although I spent more than that, more than 132 trying to find the product. So initially I wasn't promoting this. I wasn't promoting it. I was promoting a different product before I came up to Carbo Fix. But if we're talking about just the Carbo Fix and setting up this campaign, so that's the profit that we've got, 679 and then 132 spent in ads, and of course the landing page, very important, created using the pagepro.com. So I think that's about it. So if you want more case study like this, so just follow my channel. That's just subscribe, and I am posting videos no matter what the results are, if it's positive or negative, so that everyone can learn based on the experience I had. I think that's about it, guys. So I'll see you again on the next video, on the next case study that I will make, so that you guys can learn from it as well. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. That's it.